Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May 24th, 2021. You guys can already tell from my chart, we're going to speak on Aave and give y'all a price prediction in the market for this cryptocurrency. Aave continues to fall, and we're trying to make the answer the question, is Aave a buy? Should one come into the market right now and buy Aave? So before I break that down, today's the first time I've ever seen our videos. You can actually see that there is someone who is predicting prices and anticipating price movement without being confused. You're at a great place. And if you appreciate that, hit the like button, share, subscribe. As always, join the team, join our community of individuals who is dominating this cryptocurrency space, all without causing you no confusion. If you want to do this for yourself, you definitely need to make sure that you continually watch these videos so that you can become more confident into calling the markets with us. All right. So here it is. We did a price prediction to the market in Aave right there on April the 28th, 2021, anticipating the market price to go higher, and it did that. It has done precisely that. And in fact, you guys can tell that the trap has exceeded our overall take profit area. So either we could have gotten 11.33% on this market movement higher price, or she was able to get out of the high that came in on May the 18th around 45%. So excellent job. We were in position to capitalize into the market in Aave, seeing that the market strength was still on the table. And when you see that, you play that way. Now, granted, that situation has completely changed. The market in Aave has came right back towards our trading channel, right? Which is not a bad thing. We need to understand that just because we see market go down 20%, 30% doesn't necessarily mean that it's a terrible thing. You have to remember from where we've been as to seeing those double-digit losses. I mean, when we saw Aave move from $680 back down to $320, that's where we've been, right? We've seen literally the market in Aave see his value reduced from the high that came in on May the 18th, 52%, right? Now, yeah, that looks terrible, and it is terrible if you specifically bought Aave all the way up there around $670, right? But when you look at this chart, we're right back to where we've been before. This is not like we're making all-time lows into the market in Aave. We simply came back to our trading channel, which is a very good thing to see in the long term for this particular cryptocurrency. Okay, and with this high volume that we're getting in the market in Aave down here, lets us know that the market appreciate the price there, right? We're not necessarily seeing this particular cryptocurrency dropping lower than where we already been. You guys can even see right there on May 23rd, the market in Aave came all the way down to $208. Since that time, we've been trading about 280. So now we're going to hold this market support down here towards $280, right around this vicinity here. Okay, so this is our area support in Aave. So I'm going to extend this out because the trap continues to confirm to us that this area is support. It's just that simple. This market in Aave, since we've seen the market make all-time highs, is now expected to trade within our trading channel once again. Okay. So let's take a look at this market in Aave here. So now the question is, how big of a trading channel are we going to have, right? That's a very wide trading channel. But this is the majority of trading that has gone on in Aave. The market likes to be compacted within these two lines I got drawn on the chart. We came into this trading channel. Oops, let me take this away. We came into this trading channel back here on beginning of the year, bounced it up their restriction, came down, held support for a while, try to break up above that restriction line again, and now we're coming right back down and testing support. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in Aave. Okay, now let's see how we ended out the week in Aave last week. Okay, Now this is very wide, okay? This current weekly trading that we're going through in Aave is going to be real important. And it's going to be real important for the overall cryptocurrency space. Many people ain't going to tell you this, but we will. However we end out this week will definitely tell us if we're going to continue to go higher, or we're going to continue to go lower in price. Or has this been it? Is this the bottom, right? So really pay attention on how we conclude on this week's trading price action. Because right now, what we're seeing is that the market is still trying to hold the support area. The market looked like it has found its bottom, but we cannot be sure until we see this weekly price bar currently ends and gets completed. And I'm talking about this one right here. Okay, we have to see this market hold this support area in Aave, plus we need to see it close above this previous week's close. Okay, we have to. So that is what we're going to be on the lookout for in the market in Aave. We're going to pay attention to that in Aave for this rest of this week. That's pretty much our focus. That's going to be pretty much everything we're going to be looking at on these price charts to make sure that we're seeing the trap come through and show that he wants to hold this area up. Because if he doesn't, we're going to continue to go lower and lower in price, and we will come and start, depending on how you look at it, your perspective, a bear market, right? And it all depends about where you've been, you know, your entry into when you came into the store, and then whether or not you're at a loss or are you still at a profit. So if we look at this on the hourly time frame, then we'll go ahead and do our price prediction. So far, I'm not really expecting a lot. I do appreciate the trap showing us that he's willing to hold market support at 280. Still trading there now. Current area restriction that I can see is 350. Okay, so by no means, and I'm telling you that this market in Aave is a buy for the long run, because we got to wait until this weekly time frame ends, and then we'll have a better idea as to whether or not the market in Aave is going to continue to go higher in price. But when you look at this in relation to the history of this price chart, we're at a pretty good location to purchase some of these Aaves out the market, right? Because a lot of this trading happens well above $318. So yeah, we're going to play the strength in this particular prediction in Aave. Now, I told you restriction is right there around 350, which gives us 10.25% profitability into the market in Aave. We'll take that, but I'm going to bring it all the way up there towards 400, like 385 into the market in Aave there. And that's about it, right? We're going to continue to watch the market. We saw a monumental movement down. The market is trying to hold this support area now. So we're going to play the strength over the next couple of days in Aave. And if we continue to see this market strength and we continue to see the trap come in and prop up this price in Aave, we found the bottom, right? Pretty much. Because he's going to tell us where the market bottom is. And so far, he is creating and formulating that bottom. But it hasn't been cemented on the price charts yet. Okay. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Aave. And as always, we want to give you all the opportunity to call the markets right alongside with us. So tell me, what do you all see on the chart? What do you all expect the price to do over the next 2 or 3 weeks? You know, where do you think the market price is going to be? What you see on the chart is literally what we're expecting. We're expecting the market to really trade within those two lines. And in the midst of that, we're playing some of this strength at the bottom of those lines. All right. So now drop the comment in the comment section. It's your turn. Tell me, what do you all think about the price in Aave, and where will it be in the next 3 weeks? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.